Make sure to install the Netflix app on your smartphone. Now, go to your Zoom meeting. From your Zoom meeting, tap on this more icon, tap on Start Share, and here tap on Screen. In this list, turn on Zoom, go back, and here select Share Specific App. And in this list, we have to select Share One app, tap on Next, and which app to share, we have to select here Netflix. And as you can see, I've successfully started to share my Netflix on my Zoom meeting. So you can easily watch any movie or drama or series with your friends or families in Zoom. Thanks for watching.